In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make changes to a level that you've already created. So if you haven't done at least the first of these tutorials, go back, do that first, and then come back to this one. Okay, so from here, I want to click on Build. In Build, I have my first level, and in my first level, I want to make a change to it. So I'm going to select all of these with the /, not add first level here, but the rest of these with the numbers. This is the information for the level. So I'm going to right click on this, copy, and now I'm going to go to Challenges, click on Builder, run example. In this little box, I want to click and paste the level that I just copied and click Send. Now I'm going to click on this I, which is Import, and it will pull in this level that I built. Okay, so now it pulled in the level, and I can start from where I left off the last time. So I'm going to move the gun, I'm going to put it over here. And I'm going to, I'll put a kinematic box in there because I like these kinematic boxes. So I'm going to put the box here, click on Path. I'm going to put a path about like so. Okay, and now I'm going to export. And again, select, make sure I get the very first character, copy, go back to Build. I want to be careful and select this first level, so right down to here, so that I don't get this code down here, because if I delete part of this or this code, either the levels will be merged together or the compiler will not let you do it. So I'm going to delete, and then I'm going to do Control V for paste, and I'm going to hit Enter, just because I like having a little bit of space between one level and the next. I think it makes it easier to see and edit if you put them right next to each other. The problem is you may not see this else if and select all the way down to the next level and then wipe out that level. So I like to put a little bit of space there to just make it visually easier to see where each one of these levels ends. Okay, so there we go. We've made that change. I'm gonna click Update. And so it's compiled successfully. We're now going to go to Challenges, click on Simulation Side, run challenge. And here you can see now my first level has this little block on there. Oh, should be firing from here. Oops. There we go. So, yes, I want to play. Well, I could say no this time. So, no, I don't want to play, and it just completes. Okay, so that's how you modify a level that you have already created.